is we're at Wallops Island NASA rocket launch, and so today
You can hear it. You can hear it.
it's so loud. It actually. This is Lego Girl. It's so loud. It's so loud. Like actually,
Help me.
it's shaking. It's shaking the dock we're on. And yes, we're on a dock. Curtis, we're on Wallops Island, August 1st, 2023. It's so loud. Oh my god. The NASA station is over there somewhere, but the rocket is right there. See that? That's the NASA rocket launch.
Look above your head.
So that's a cloud near it.
It's about to go about.
You see, there's a little speck on your screen, like right there. I'm gonna point at it. Sorry. So like right there.
It's going over the Carmen line. It's going over the Carmen line now.
Like right there. And I'm actually pointing at. The smell of smoke.
Help me.
And also,
Help me.
this video is made on August 1. The one where we drove here is made on, what's it called? July 31st. And because we're on a beach trip, we won't be releasing these until later. So, sorry. Anyways, but I really hope you like it. My arm hurts. See that? There's a little speck. That line leads into a little bright speck, and then it just bam, it's gone. Neither of us can see it. There's the rocket's like right there. So that will be the end of our video today. It's so dark, like pitch black. Actually. If my face is like messy and stuff, it's because I've had a long day. So yeah.
Is it in space?
So you might see this on the NASA channel or on my YouTube channel, Lego Girl. Oh yeah, it actually. It looked like the sun was rising from over there up. So all of us have to go sip. Oh my god, I almost just dropped the phone.
Go into the water. Give me that distraction.
So bye. See you tomorrow. Or a few days later, because